homesteaders, treehouse builders, DIYers. Today we're going to be working on the treehouse a little bit to get it prepared for my rental season coming up. So we have a list of things to do today to get prepared for the upcoming rental season. I just built this tree house, finished it last summer, and so this is the first year it's going to be open. And these are my big list of little things to do. So we're going to be working on that today. Ticking off some of these things on the list here. Alright, well, I've got a few things already marked off on my list. But polyurethane semi-gloss to table. So we'll give that a try. Table has already been polyurethaned once, but when you polyurethane it the first time, it brings up the grain, and so there's little rough parts, and also there's some bubbles from where the polyurethane didn't dry quite right. So I'm going to give it a quick sand and then polyurethane it again. I'm going to use this stuff. It's some stuff I had in my barn. I like to save old paints or collect them when people throw them out. This one's Varathane, liquid plastic, clear satin, exterior wood finish. So, and it's not dried up and hard, so we'll give it a shot. Okay, so that's done. When that dries, that won't look as shiny. But while I have the polyurethane, might as well polyurethane the seat of the outhouse as well. Had just enough. Actually, it didn't quite have quite enough, but we stretched it. One less can of paint in the dump. And one less thing on the list. This was some new work I did on this treehouse. You can see back there the wiring. I put in a light over the bed, and now I want to disguise the wiring with paint. So I have a couple different colors of random throwaway paints here, and I just mix them together to kind of shoot for whatever wood color that I'm next to. Sometimes you get a little painterly with this. And typically I use plastic boxes for the outlets and the switches. They're cheap, they have the nail on them on the side, so they're easy to install. And then I can paint them and they disappear. Okay. Gone. Where is it? This spot here is this is a live branch coming out of the maple tree behind the wall here, coming through the wall. So I had to give it a little bit of room around the branch for the branch to grow, and also for a little bit of movement. So I left room when I put the slabs up, and then I used spray foam to fill in the space, and then painted the spray foam. The spray foam can compress, it can move, so it allows the tree to do what it needs to do. And this year, some of the movement left some spaces, so I just filled that in with more spray foam, and then a little more paint.